Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up for ProtonMail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, head towards your web browser and type proton.me in the search bar and press enter. Now you will see create a free account button on top right corner of the page. Click on it. In this page you need to click on Get Proton for Free button. Now fill up the details it asks for, like your username, password and repeat password, and then click on Create Account. It will ask if you are human or not as a verification. After you have proved you are human, it will take you to the next page where you are asked to type in your display name. Fill it up and click on Next. Now either save your contact details or simply click on Maybe Later. Click on Confirm. Select a theme. And congratulations! Your account has been created. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.